Now let's practice the distance and angle mate. Go to mate here. In the standard mate, you can find distance mate and angle mate. What are the purpose of these mates? Let's try. For this, again go to mate, select coincident mate, and select this plane face and this face. Now you can see here. Go to front plane and provide the distance here. Let's say is automatic 44. Let's say 10. Now you can see that distance between this plane surface and this edge is 10 mm. You can change it 20, 30 like this. Again you can provide the angle. This time is a 0, so if you provide 20 mm angle, it will change its direction. Let's increase the angle. Now it's a 60 and the angle let's say 45. In this way the distance and angle mate works in the standard mates. Thank you very much.